Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Martin, and today I'm gonna unbox the Monsters Lazy Yoga from Pop Mart. And in each case has 10 collectible figures, and here is the newest version of Labubu's. And in the back it shows it has Pop Marts and warnings, and Facebook, Instagram. And in the side it has a ball, and this one has a purple ball. And you see here it has all of the ones that are in here, but some of them are not included. And in one of the boxes you see here, you can get any of these if you get the whole case. And let's go open the first box. Here's the first box. Now let's open this. There we go. Oh my god. This is the newest version and I like it so much. Okay, Pop Mart. Oh yeah, I forget. It has blind box figure, and you should probably scan this and use a coin to scratches. Okay, what do we got for this one? Oh, okay, we got a show off Labubu. It's a blue one, at least I got a blue one. Yeah, it's like my favorite one. Here it is. Now let's open the package. Oh my god, it's furry! No way, bro. Look at the designs and detail here. And oh yeah, nope, it doesn't open up. Here it is. We're gonna put it here. Yeah, there. Show off there. Now let's get into the second box here. I hope we get a secret rare or sleeping. Oh, sorry. Show off is the first one to get, and I'm very happy because it's blue, and my favorite color is blue. Okay, what do we get for this one? Okay, I got Americano and another blue one, bro. Let's go. I'm so lucky right now. I'm getting all the ones that I really want. Okay. OMG, bro. It looks so good. Here's a Labubu, and here's an Americano, and he's laying down here. Let's put him here like this with the other Labubu. Show off Labubu. Now let's open the third box here. I hope I get the secret rare, or maybe I'll get the stretch up or zone up. Let's go. Open it. And then now. Okay, we got lay down. Okay. Lay down's kinda good. The details are kinda good. But these are actually my favorite Labubus of all time. Oh my god, look at this. It has a ball and it says the Monsters here. And it looks like this. It's white, yeah. Now let's open the fourth box. Please. Please, I hope I get the secret rare here. Please. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Okay. What do we get? What is this? What? What? We got a pink one? Wait, this is ab roller. No way, bro. This is really good, and I guess it's probably good enough for my collection. So let's see the design first. Oh my god, bro. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at the eyes. It's like whirling around. It's kind of good and cute. It's so furry. Now we open the platform for the Labubu. here, you see here? This thing is like the platform for yogas. So we're gonna put it like this, I think. Wait, let me see. Yeah, like this here. I'm gonna put it beside the Americano. Like this. Okay, now let's open the 5th box here. Let's see if we get the secret rare or no. I hope we do, because it's one case. And the person in Pop Mart said you can get a secret rare. Wait. Oh, I thought it was a double. What did we get actually? Oh, we got the sweating. Sweating is kind of good, and it's pink, and it's my mom's favorite color. Why does the show off keep on falling? Okay, now let's open this part. Okay. Wow, the eyes looks like hee. It looks like really like hee. So where's the platform there? Okay, platform. Okay, now we put this here, like, you see these holes right here in the legs and the hand? It should join with this thing here. Okay, wait, let me put that together. And there we go. Here is the sweating. Let's put it in front of the show off. Now let's go to the 6th box. And here, I hope we get the secret rare in this one. Please be secret rare. Okay, we already opened it. I hope we get the secret rare. Wait, Labubu is this? Oh, stretch out! Let's go! What I wanted. Here, stretch out. So open it. Here, it looks so good. It looks so like hee in the blue version from Have a Seat. Yeah. Opening the platforms. It's kind of big. The platform stretch out. Okay, here's stretch out in his platform, and here is his card. Now let's open the 7th box here. Okay, here it is. Okay, let me open that up. Okay, what do we get? Secret. Oh, let's go. We got sleeping. Okay. I'm getting a whole collection of these. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. It's sleeping and it has a bubble here. And the cloud is so shiny. Let's put it here. Now let's open the 8th box here. 3, 2, 1. Go. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Please. I think we got... Okay. We got... Okay, I guess we got Zone Out. First, we got Zone Out now. Okay, let me just do that. Okay, it looks like the green one from the first one. We paste that there, and look at that. Now we got the card. It looks the same as that one before we showed. Okay, now we open the 9th box. And I still have one more box left. So if we get the secret rare, I'm really happy. Okay. Did we get a secret rare? Or no? Okay. I guess I got confident. Confident It's kind of like the one in the whole box. Here is Confident. It's the pink one. And here's the card. And here's the base plate here. Let's go rip it open. Here's the base plate. And it looks really round. Rather than the others, it's rounder than the others. Let's put this there. Yeah. Here's Confident. And let's put it there. Okay. There's one last box here. And I hope we get the secret rare or the little bird here. Please, secret rare. Please be secret rare. Please be secret rare. Okay, I hope this is secret rare. Please be secret rare. I hope it's secret. Okay. I guess we didn't get the secret rare, but we got the full set. A little bird. Here's little bird. Okay, they kind of use the plastic thingies, so like this thing. I don't know what that means, so, but it is so shiny. The eyes, like the other eyes, are like very shiny. Here, in the first box, we got Confident. Yeah. Okay. Wait, let me just paste that there. There we go. Let's go. Here it is. It's like little bird, and the Labubu is holding a bird at the top of his finger. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe, like and subscribe, and press the bell notification, and please put a heart in the comments. Thank you for watching, and it's me, Martin.